the demand for medical oxygen after COVID has gone even more than double. And I think right now it is even higher based on the last research that was able to be done. There is no doubt whatsoever for the investment part that this is a worthy investment.
This project is partially funded by the supplement budget of the government of Japan through Unit Aid. This is amount to approximately 7.3 million US dollars. This shows reaffirmation of Japan's commitment of supporting health and well-being across this continent.